Some song, yeah, 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 yeah. Africa vibe, you know the deal. Unscripted life, real feel. Ooh.
Hey guys, good morning everyone. It's a beautiful Saturday morning and it's been a long time I posted, like it's been a very long time I posted. And that is because, sometimes you will not even know what to post, you will not even know what to do. life of a content creator. Yeah, sometimes it happens like that. You don't even know what to do, you don't even know what to post, you just be confused. And the worst part is that it's been raining, like it rains steady all the time here now. It rains all the time here, and I can't film in my mother's kitchen because the kitchen is 40 and it's raining steady. So I will not want a situation whereby I'll be inside the kitchen and it will fall on me or something and injure me. So I don't even know, I don't even know. And I just got out from I was sick, but I'm better now, I'm okay now. So I don't even know. Sometimes you don't even know what to create, what to do. So I'll just take you guys along, all right? So I've been applying something on my head because of dandruff and itch. So, and there have been some changes. So I'll be losing. I want you guys to follow me. Let me go and lose this one and make another one. All right. So guys, I got here, but this girl said that she's very busy, that she has other people that she's going to be making their hair, and they came before me. So I didn't know what to do. I didn't know what to do. I don't know what to do again. Oh God. So I have to go back home. I have to go back home, guys, to go and plead with my sister, my younger sister, if able to please help me and make my hair. Because although she was already ready, she was ready to go out already. As you can see, she has towel, she has her sponge. She was ready to go out, guys. She was ready to go out. So, but I had to just plead with her. I pleaded with her to please. So look at my hair. I've been applying something on my hair, just like I said, and there has been a difference. And I'll be trying other recipe, just like I saw on Uche's TV and on Kimo's channel. I'll be trying those methods, but before then, let me just finish the one that I'm dealing with already. So you can see Uche is doing my hair so well, like so well. But her hand is very painful. Her hand is very painful, and you wouldn't want to tell her, because if I tell her now, hey, she will say she's not doing it again. She said she will not make it. She's not going to make the hair again. So I didn't tell her. I was just enjoying the pain. Her hand is so tight and painful. But even at that, the hair is very neat. Yeah, she's trying. She's trying 100%. She's trying. So that is it, guys. Stick and stay, like the video. So guys, just like I said, this is the product I'm using for now: hair repair, hair booster, and mega growth hair food for dandruff, guys. My head has been giving me a lot of issues, so I have to just go get this. And I've already gotten it before I saw those rosemary recipe on Uche TV and Okimo. So after that, I pleaded with ogechi, but Uche is already in the hair, so I pleaded with ogechi to help me and massage my hair with this mega dandruff, anti-dandruff. So she's helping me massage my hair, and she's doing it so well. She's doing it so well. My hair, I don't suffer, guys. I really don't suffer. Plus the hair was cutting. Everything was happening to my. I don't even know why. I don't know why. And my hair is very soft. Soft is an understatement. Soft. My hair is very soft. So Ogechi is really doing well. she's really, really trying. She's trying. See how she's massaging my hair. Believe me, I've slept already. Like, I've slept already. I've slept and woke up. I've, I've slept and woke up. See, I'm sleeping. See Ogechi now. Hi Ogechi. Eddie, come and see Ogechi. Eddie, come and carry your Ogechi. See Ogechi here. Not every day now you be asking me where is Ogechi. Eddie Trick is always asking me where is Ogechi. Eddie, come and see Ogechi now. So guys, please like this video. Please like this video. Drop a comment. You can share my video just to support somewhat. Share the video to support somewhat, guys. Please. So look at my hair. My hair is very neat. Very, very neat. So guys, stick and stay and keep watching. Alright? I love you all. I love you and may God bless you. Just stick and stay. Drop a comment. Give the video a big and massive thumbs up, guys. I really, really appreciate you all for your love and support. Ogechi is really, really doing a great job. Like really, 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 really a great job. Ogechi is doing so well. Really, really, really a great job.
Africa vibe, you know the deal. Unscripted life, real feel. Ooh, yeah. I dey walk out with my camera, show them how we living in Africa. From the kitchen to the village side, mama cooking stew with that fire vibe. Palm wine, the flow, jollof on the plate. Sweet plantain make my heart elevate. No filter, everything real time. Some bring the flavor and the sunshine. This not some world. We they shine like gold. Africa life unfold. Let the whole world know. Say this not some world. Original vibe untold. Culture so sweet and bold. Delicacy we they show. No script, no fake scene. Just the bush and the fresh green. Banana, mango, watermelon, fresh from the farm, no kerosene. See the smile with the morning glow. Traditional wear, head to toe. We dey live with peace and soul. Some world, let it roll. No script, no fake scene. Just the bush and the fresh green. Banana, mango, watermelon, fresh from the farm, no kerosene. See the smile with the morning glow. Traditional wear, head to toe. We dey live with peace and soul. Some world, let it roll.